This is a quick review of the espresso machine made by Jura. It's the Jura ENA Micro 1. It just sits here on the kitchen counter. Makes really good espresso. The beans go in here. The container that's sealed with this nice top. To make the water is back here in this reservoir. It's got a filter in it. And you just pop that in the back. And then to make espresso, just push these touch buttons short, long, and this is Americano. And light roast, strong roast, and this actually says my water filter needs changed. It just came on this morning. So I'll usually press the center button for 2 shots. Grind the beans. Then the espresso comes out here. It's just to wet the beans. Really nice crema. I use local Kansas City brewed coffee. I just pour this in my cup. And then I use the Jura Capresso milk frother. Does a really nice job. That usually takes about 3 minutes. Pour this in here, and you've got beautiful espresso. Little cinnamon. Beauty. There you go. Starbucks at home. Cheers.